So hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make an Exodus wallet account. So to do this is pretty simple. Here you have your Exodus application. The first thing you want to do is create a wallet, of course. So here it's going to load up, and then here you want to do all the things that you want. So basically here you want to do your portfolio value, the name, and very much more. So here you can take a tour of the application if you want to. You have your portfolio, you have your swap, you have your buy and sell in crypto, you have your profile. From there, you will see here you can buy and receive already from your Exodus wallet. And it is just that simple. So here you can receive and you can search for your own address if you want to. Here you can also buy and you can start with doing the max and minimum for your own currency. You have your euros, you have your Great British pounds, and you have very much more. You can also sell, but it's unavailable in my country unfortunately. So there are a lot of features you can do Exodus wallet. So if this video is helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.